change of temperature, we can change a state from solid to gas. This change is known as sublimation. So this topic is under CBSE Standard 9 from the chapter number 1. Earlier we were discussing that by changing temperature, we can change a state, and we have seen so many terms: melting point, boiling point, latent heat of fusion and latent heat of vaporization. This topic is sublimation, and in this we will see that solid is directly converting into gaseous state. In earlier video we have seen that solid will convert into liquid, liquid will convert into gas. But here some of the example which we will study, some of the substance which are sublimable substance, they will convert directly to gaseous state. So when solid, by giving heat, when solid is converting into gas, it is known as sublimation. And when gas is directly converting into solid, we known as deposition. So here we will see, in this activity we will see both the term. First sublimation and then deposition. This will happen when we are giving heat, and this will happen while we are taking energy, or when this will cool down. So first we will see sublimation. So while solid to gas, when we are giving heat, so it is known as sublimation. So this is sublimation. Now here I have taken this substance. This substance is known as ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride is a sublimable substance, and when this is arrangement of apparatus, that into this I have taken one petri dish. Petri dish is a dish in which we can heat a substance. It will not react with the substance which is we are heating. So that is petri dish. Into that I have taken ammonium chloride, and funnel I have inverted and kept on it, as no space should be opened into the air. It has to completely fit on the petri dish. And then I have put a cotton plug over here, so that whatever gaseous substance will come from this should not go out. Now when I will heat this, what will happen, that my ammonium chloride will get heated. This ammonium chloride is sublimable substance. So while giving heat, it will become gaseous substance, and as it will reach to the funnel, funnel is cool compared to the petri dish. Here I have supplying heat, so this is hot, but my funnel surface is still cool, so they will stick to the funnel surface, and again it will converting back to solid. One more time, when I am heating this, it will convert into gas. So this phenomena is sublimation, and once it is touching the surface of funnel which is cool, then they will again converting back to the solid. So this is deposition. By doing so, my ammonium chloride will not change its chemical property. Earlier it was NH4Cl, now also it is NH4Cl. First, when I am giving heat, it will converting into vapor, and once again the heat, it will become cool, it is again regain its state, that is solid. So it is again converting into solid state, and that process is known as deposition. While becoming gas, this process is known as sublimation, and from again gaseous state will convert into solid state, that is known as deposition. So both this phenomena we can see in this activity with the help of sublimable substance only, and that is ammonium chloride. We are using naphthalene ball in our routine life. So after some time, when we are keeping it in a cupboard, after some time when we are seeing it, there is no naphthalene ball, or it has been reduced in their size. So they are directly converting into a gaseous state. That is also an example of sublimable substance.